There's places to start that we're all in need of, like our transit needs fixed. We're in a very car reliant area. Uh, and there are some rural transit options, but we need to expand upon those, just like our suburban areas. We need to expand on that. There's all too often there's people who their grocery store of choice is a Dollar General because they don't own a car and that's the closest thing they can walk to. In our district, like, there's very few cities who have buses available. So I think to start, we just need to start finding the common issues that do apply to all these areas and work on those, and then move on to the more specifics. So big part of my campaign is pushing for a 17.25 an hour minimum wage. There's multiple reasons for that. Back to Dollar General being a good example. It's one of the largest employers in our district, and they pay their employees around $8 or $9 an hour. I don't know about you. I can't live off that. And so these people are having to string together two or three of these jobs just to get to that 17 to $20 an hour like worth of work, either they're doing, two jobs. Uh, so we need to start there. For like that will alleviate a lot of pressure on housing and food insecurity. Another thing we need to address is Medicare for all. Too many people are being crushed under their medical debt and just unable to pay it and constantly being harassed by debt collectors, even going bankrupt in some cases from folks I've talked to. So I do really think if we address the wage issues, that'll alleviate stress on a few other things like housing and food. But then we also have to fix our healthcare system because it's not working and just crushing people. Yeah. So again, I'm a big fan of Medicare for all. I think the government has an obligation to provide us with quality healthcare that's reasonably priced. And by going to that type of system, the government gets to has 300 million people that it's vouching for and negotiating for, so we can drive the cost of everything down.